My name is Scott Lillis. I am the President and CEO of the Lillis Technology Group. My company is a Veeam accredited service partner. We are 100% focused on delivering Veeam professional services from enterprise down to SMB. My team is 100% focused in this space, and we've been a partner with Veeam for 4 years now. So Veeam is the leading manufacturer of data protection software in the industry with hundreds of thousands of clients. And as they've grown in capability and complexity, there's been a demand for professional services and engineers and architects that really truly understand the application at a deep level to deliver the best value to the client. So our focus on Veeam allows our team to develop unmatched expertise through focus. That's all we do day in, day out. We work very collaboratively with the Veeam accredited service partner program, and they're incredible in supporting us and really help us drive incredible value to our clients and our partners. In the future, we intend to keep doing what we do. We're going to grow and build our team. It's really all about surrounding yourself with great people, and our team is absolutely fantastic, not just in their depth of expertise with Veeam, but their overall industry knowledge. So we can be really beneficial from a relationship perspective for anybody that's reselling Veeam. Even if you have a bench of Veeam engineers, sometimes things change within the organization, and we can provide elasticity to your Veeam bench. So we're here when you need us. If you've got it, you're good to go, or if you need a second set of eyes on what you're implementing, that's great. On the other side of things, if you are chasing larger business, enterprise business, which Veeam is more than capable of doing now, we can help in that space. We've done numerous Fortune 50 accounts, some of Veeam's largest, and we know how to navigate that space very well. So we look forward to forging relationships with new partners, ecosystem partners, whether it's hardware or software. If it touches Veeam, we'll have depth of expertise with it. So we've been growing rapidly, and we look forward to doing so in the future.